Unleash a bassline so potent, so intricate, it redefines progressive techno. Today, we're diving deep into the sonic architecture of cutting-edge progressive techno bass using the power of wavetable synthesis. We'll blend the relentless drive of techno with the evolving textures of progressive music, all within your favorite wavetable synth. First, let's select our foundational wavetable. I'm choosing a complex, evolving one. Something with harmonic content that will react and change as we manipulate it. Think metallic, gritty, or even glassy tones. The magic of Wavetable lies in its ability to morph. We'll set up a rhythmic modulation for the wavetable position. This creates movement and that characteristic evolving sound essential for progressive techno. Next, we sculpt the tone with filters. Apply a cutting low-pass filter to tame some of the harsher high frequencies, but don't be afraid to experiment with the resonance. We want that signature subtle growl. For the rhythmic punch, we'll shape the amplitude envelope, a snappy attack for impact, a moderate decay and sustain to let the sound breathe within the groove, and a quick release so it doesn't smear into the next note. Now for the grit, add a touch of distortion or saturation. This will add warmth, harmonics, and help the bass cut through the mix, giving it that undeniable techno edge. Take it further with another LFO, maybe on the filter cutoff or even the wavetable position again, but at a slower rate. This adds subtle, organic movement, the hallmark of progressive sound design. Listen how this single wavetable patch delivers power, texture, and that crucial evolving feel. This is the foundation for basslines that are both driving and deeply musical. Experiment with different wavetables and modulation sources to craft your own unique, cutting-edge progressive techno bass.